Morning, guys. It is January 24th, 2023. This one here, I got a call from a lady. She's got a house down in South Dartmouth and she's renting it out. And she's got a kitchen's faucet that's an issue, and I guess the caretaker went and bought the part, tried to fix the faucet. Now the faucet's all apart and he can't fix it. It's a Moen, so I don't know what the guy's issue is, but we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. She said to call her if she needs a new faucet, she'll get a new faucet, but I've worked for her before. She's kind of one of these, you know, she's a lady from Boston, a rich lady.
South Main Street.
That's fine. We'll go by there and see if we can figure out what's going on with the faucet. And I have parts for the Moen in my truck. Shouldn't be an issue. She's got supposedly no one's going to be there until Friday, so today's only Tuesday. So let's go see, take a ride by there and give me the code to get in over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Miss Molly, you're baking in here. It's like Mexico in here. Yeah, it's like Mexico. Yeah, it's like Mexico in here, Miss Molly. This flipping heater in this truck will blast you out of here. Holy shit. Turn it down. This thing's pretty good on. I was like on the highway. I was 12 miles to the gallon on the highway. I'm averaging about 9 because, you know, obviously in the city you get a little less miles per gallon, but this thing's not bad on gas. I don't got my foot into it either. I'm just going easy with it.
At the end of the street, turn left.
So, yeah, I was getting 12 miles to the gallon on the highway, going down the highway at 65. That's not bad. So it averages about 9.
Turn left.
I'm happy with that.
Street.
Like I said, I don't got my foot into it. I go easy with it, and I'm not trying to race around town here. It's just a work truck. You want to drive, Miss Molly? You love driving, Miss Molly. You love driving.
Continue on down the street.
I gotta get new mirrors for it. I don't like these mirrors. I like this all one-piece mirrors. I gotta get one for that side. I got them ordered. Little things I gotta do to it. I'm gonna put a rear view mirror in it. I got a bunch of bends that I ordered that came in. I'm gonna switch the bends over and nice and quiet. Got a nice radio in it. Can't play the radio because copyright. But we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. I'm heading over there now to see what's going on with the Moen. They got the flipping heat really low. They got the system off. Wow. I'm surprised they got the system off. Heat. Yeah, we don't want to leave it off. Fucking dum-dums. Good way to freeze up the house. I don't know if that's a Moen. Yeah, that's a regular Moen. I got them in the truck. Where's the cartridge? I don't see it. That should be a regular cartridge. I don't see it here. Where's the part? Flippin' dum-dum. I got them in the truck.
Hello?
Yeah, how you doing? I should have this cartridge in the truck. I don't see that. He didn't leave the cartridge behind there that he bought. I don't see it.
Okay, I don't think it was a cartridge, but
he's got it all apart here.
Little plastic piece.
Oh, okay, yeah, the little. I see that. I see that little plastic piece. So that's what broke off. It wasn't that it was dripping.
Right.
Okay, I see that. Let me see if I can get it together.
Right.
All right, let's see if I can get it together. It's got this thing all apart, pieces everywhere.
I know, that's why you couldn't put it back together.
All right, they had the heat off. It's 45 in here. I turned the heat back on to 60. I mean, you're going to freeze this house up. Got to leave the heat on. Had it off.
Wow. I turned it to 60 myself, so.
You don't want it off, right? You want the heat on. You don't want to freeze the house, right? I mean, it gets cold at night.
I put it on at 60 on.
Yeah, they had it off. So next time, they're going to tell the tenant to leave it on. Just leave it low.
Yep.
Okay?
I do tell them, but they don't always listen.
Yeah, typical.
Yeah, thanks, Steve.
All right, yeah, bye.
Let me know.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right, so it looks like this is the part that broke on it. So they do have another part here. So let's see if we can get it back together. There's pieces everywhere. It's got this piece. Got pieces everywhere. Yeah. The flip. This must be the last piece that goes on there like that, with a screw on it. That goes in there like that. That goes in there like that. Oh, I see what it is. This has to go this way. See how that little thing is there? That goes like that. And this must go. This rides in there like that, I believe. Oh, okay, that must go over. Must go over that one. Oh, I see what it is. See this little thing right here? Must go in there. Like that. There we go. There we go. That's what happens. And the screw goes in the top here. Like that. Got a couple of screws loose, Mama. Got a couple of screws loose. The screw goes in the top there like that. I think that's how it goes. That's how it goes. And this goes this way, like so. Not rocket science. Ain't rocket science. Alright. It goes like that. And this must go on the top like that. Had the flipping heat off. That's not good. I'm gonna freeze this place up. Okay, leave the heat off like so. Cartridge seems to be okay. It's not binding and nothing. So then we got a couple of more parts here. Moen. It seems a little funky wonky. Well, it seems a little funky wonky. Moen. Oh, let's see. This has to go on here first. Boy, they get shit awful complicated, huh? It's flipping complicated. Like that, and then this. Nuts, man. Cheap ass design. You know, the cartridge isn't binding, so it should be fine. Alright, no big deal. This is the part that broke. And the guy just couldn't figure it out. Oh well.